Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve one question asked by Purvi Agrawal. Question number 1, that if x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0, then find the values of a and b. Okay, now solution. Since x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 3 are the roots, that is x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 3, or x minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, or x minus 2 by 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x square plus 3x minus 2 by 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x square plus 7 by 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now give this equation number 1. On comparing equation 1 with ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0, give this equation number 2. So sum of zeros, sum of roots, this is equal to minus b upon a and this is equal to minus 7 upon a, or also sum of roots is equal to minus 7 upon 3 from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Since both the equations are same, so this implies that minus 7 upon a is equal to minus 7 upon 3, or a is equal to 3. Now also product of roots is equal to c upon a and this is equal to b upon a, from equation 2. Also, and product of roots is equal to -6 from equation first. So this implies that b upon a is equal to -6. On putting the value of a, b is equal to -6 into 3, so b is equal to -18. Hence the values of a and b is 3 and -18. Okay, now we can solve this question by another method. Second method. Since x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to -3 are the roots, this implies that x minus 2 by 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 0, and this gives x square plus 7 by 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Or by taking the LCM, it comes 3x square plus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. Give this equation 1. Now on comparing equation 1 with equation number 1 with ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0. So what we get? 3x square plus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0, and ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0. So at the place of a we are getting 3, and at the place of b we are getting minus 18. So this is the answer. Okay students, I think this is clear to you. Now students, let's understand solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, now look carefully. So let the quadratic equation be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now how to solve? Step 1. Make the coefficient of x square to be 1. So how we can make the coefficient of x square to be 1? We have to divide the entire equation by a. So this implies that it becomes x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. Okay. Now what we do? Step 2. Write the coefficient write the coefficient of x to its half. Okay, so this becomes x square plus b upon 2ax so write the coefficient of x to its half. This is like x plus b upon 2a, and look carefully what I am doing. Make a square and the square of this is subtracted, square of this, so b square upon 4a square plus c upon a is equal to 0. Okay student, now look what I have done. If we expand this equation, it becomes x square, so x square is there, plus b square upon 4a square, and b square upon 4a square is not in this equation, so we have to subtract this b square minus 4a square from here. Then 2ab, if we make 2ab, then it becomes ba by x, and c by a is written as it is, c by a is written as it is. Okay, now it becomes x plus b upon 2a square, and this is equal to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. X plus b upon 2a square, this is equal to b square minus 4ac, and 4a square is LCM. So x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so by this method we can solve the value of x, and this is called as quadratic formula. This is called as quadratic formula. Okay student, I think this is clear to you. In the next video I will take example and then explain.